7 ball. Dropped after more than 5 seconds over the pocket. Pero yun na nga, napunta sa Parañaque Kings. Ang rack na yon. He missed on the 1 ball earlier. Talking about Rainiel Salinel. No issues here. 1 ball na 1 ball yan. At saka hindi rin magkadikit yung 3 at 8. And the noisemakers of Manila are awake.
Yan na, nagsimula na. Doc Enrico also watching with us.
Si Doc Nicky corrected us earlier, by the way. I'd like to acknowledge Doc Nicky.
Yeah.
Tuesday was not his worst performance. Great to have Doc Nicky who has all of the stats. Tandaan natin, Maki Leyva is actually a rookie dito po sa SBA. With the help of Jonas Magpantay, magkumpare pala yung dalawang yan.
Pero ito, I'm a firm believer of Maki Leyva. Nag-iba siguro yung kanyang laro because iba yung atmosphere dito compared sa nakagisnan niya.
Well, Eric Navarrete's turn to deposit the 9 ball.